The Transformer Chase Truck is a masterclass in engineering versatility, designed to support off-road racing and high-performance expeditions. Built on a heavy-duty chassis, it integrates modular components that can transform from a pursuit vehicle into a full-service mobile workshop. Equipped with advanced suspension, reinforced armor, and integrated power systems, it carries tools, fuel, and spare parts across extreme terrain. With retractable racks and onboard communication systems, the Transformer Chase Truck stands as the ultimate support vehicle merging power, adaptability, and innovation for demanding field operations. Truck Glide redefines cargo management with its smooth glide truck bed sliding system. Designed for both professionals and outdoor enthusiasts, it allows effortless access to heavy equipment, tools, or supplies with a single pull. The heavy-duty steel frame and low-friction rollers ensure stability and long-term durability, even under maximum load. Powder-coated for weather resistance and built to fit most pickup models, Truck Glide transforms loading and unloading into a seamless experience, saving time, reducing strain, and maximizing productivity. The Load-It rear boat loader provides a revolutionary way to transport boats effortlessly using your pickup. Engineered with precision hydraulics and marine-grade aluminum, it allows solo operators to load and unload small boats in minutes without additional lifting gear. Its secure locking system keeps boats stable during travel, while the corrosion-resistant build guarantees years of performance. Ideal for adventurers, fishermen, and explorers, the Load-It system combines smart engineering with rugged reliability, making water access simpler than ever. The Vivor water tank bladder is a compact, flexible storage solution for transporting large volumes of water. Made from high-strength PVC and heat-welded seams, it offers excellent leak resistance and portability. Ideal for emergency response, camping, or remote work sites, the bladder's lightweight foldable design makes it easy to deploy and store. With corrosion-proof fittings and UV-resistant coating, it ensures long-term durability and hygiene. Vivor's innovation provides practicality and reliability, a must-have for efficient water logistics on the move. The Awesome Truck and Hot Tub Limousine is a custom-built spectacle that fuses luxury with brute automotive engineering. Crafted from an extended pickup chassis, it features an onboard heated jacuzzi and entertainment system, offering an unmatched mobile party experience. Reinforced suspension and balanced weight distribution ensure safety and smooth performance despite its outrageous design. Whether for events, parades, or pure fun, this one-of-a-kind creation blends mechanical ingenuity with wild imagination, redefining what a truck can be. Space Campers transforms your truck into a versatile mobile home with aerospace-grade precision. Designed to fit the Tesla Cybertruck and other modern pickups, its pop-up camper structure offers comfort, durability, and minimalist functionality. Constructed from lightweight aluminum and composite panels, it provides sleeping quarters, integrated power, and storage without compromising aerodynamics. With modular configurations and rapid setup, Space Campers blends futuristic design with practicality, enabling adventure seekers to explore freely while maintaining cutting-edge style and performance. The Ready Air Load Leveling Air Suspension Kit delivers superior control, comfort, and stability under load. Using intelligent air management technology, it automatically adjusts ride height to maintain optimal balance regardless of cargo weight. Built from corrosion-resistant materials and designed for heavy-duty trucks, it enhances towing safety and reduces wear on tires and suspension components. Easy to install with plug-and-play fittings, Ready Air redefines load handling, combining precision engineering, reliability, and performance for professionals and off-road enthusiasts alike. Rack and Roll is an innovative cargo rack system engineered for flexibility and strength. Its adjustable frame accommodates kayaks, bikes, rooftop tents, and utility gear with ease. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum and finished with a powder-coated surface, it withstands harsh conditions while maintaining a lightweight design. Quick-release clamps and integrated tie-down points make setup fast and secure. Whether for work or recreation, Rack and roll turns any pickup into a modular transport platform balancing function, durability, and style. The Cybertruck Base Camp is Tesla's futuristic take on adventure living. Designed exclusively for the Cybertruck, this aerodynamic tent module deploys seamlessly from the truck bed, creating a weatherproof camping shelter in minutes. Built with lightweight, insulated materials and solar-ready features, it merges off-grid capability with clean design. The Base Camp enhances outdoor exploration by combining electric sustainability, advanced materials, and signature Tesla innovation, redefining what mobile camping can look like in the electric era. The easy hitch step provides simple and secure access to truck beds or roof racks. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a textured anti-slip surface, it attaches easily to any standard 2-inch hitch receiver. Its foldable design ensures compact storage, while its reinforced structure supports up to 300 pounds. Perfect for loading tools, bikes, or gear. The easy hitch step combines functionality with practicality, offering reliable, everyday convenience for drivers who value efficiency and safety. The Barricade Bed Organizer brings order and protection to truck bed storage. With its rugged steel frame and adjustable dividers, it keeps cargo secure and separated during transport. The powder-coated finish resists rust and wear, while the no-drill installation system allows easy setup. Whether hauling tools, groceries, or camping gear, the Barricade Organizer maximizes space and accessibility. Designed for durability and adaptability, it's the perfect solution for anyone seeking a cleaner, more efficient truck bed layout. The Dewey's flatbed combines functionality, strength, and professional-grade craftsmanship. Constructed from high-tensile steel, it offers multiple toolboxes, stake pockets, and integrated wiring for easy accessory mounting. Designed for farmers, contractors, and utility fleets, the Dewey's flatbed provides unmatched versatility for towing, hauling, or equipment transport. Its corrosion-resistant coating and ergonomic design ensure years of dependable service. Dewey's continues to set the standard for work-ready truck platforms where durability meets intelligent design. The Kingspan Truckmaster is a mobile fuel management system designed for efficient, safe refueling in the field. Built with UV-stabilized polyethylene and integrated pump options, it stores and dispenses diesel with precision. Lockable lids, spill prevention valves, and automatic shutoffs enhance safety and compliance. Perfect for agricultural, construction, or fleet applications, Truckmaster combines mobility with control, ensuring fuel is delivered where it's needed, when it's needed. A hallmark of Kingspan's commitment to quality and sustainability. The Black Ice Trifold ramp delivers secure loading for snowmobiles, ATVs, and UTVs. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum with grip traction surfaces, it offers exceptional stability on icy or muddy ground. The trifold design enables compact storage, while safety straps and raised edges prevent slippage. Compatible with most pickup beds and trailers, it simplifies vehicle transport without sacrificing safety. Built for rugged conditions, the Black Ice Ramp is the go-to solution for powersports enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Y61GU Patrol Resurrection Project is a tribute to off-road heritage reborn with modern technology. Re-engineered from the iconic Nissan platform, it integrates a reinforced chassis, upgraded drivetrain, and custom suspension for extreme durability. The restoration combines classic ruggedness with advanced electronics, lighting, and off-road enhancements. Each build is meticulously handcrafted to deliver raw power and timeless design. The Y61 Resurrection symbolizes passion, precision, and the relentless spirit of adventure. Waterport is a portable, pressurized water system designed for overlanding, camping, and outdoor work. Constructed from high-strength polyethylene, it delivers steady water flow without electricity, ideal for showers, rinsing gear, or cleaning tools. With multiple mounting options and accessories, Waterport integrates seamlessly into any truck setup. Its hand-pressurized or vehicle-charged design ensures reliable performance anywhere. Compact, durable, and efficient, Waterport provides instant access to clean water, redefining outdoor convenience. The Ericsson Big Bed Senior Tailgate Extender adds up to 4 feet of load space, perfect for hauling lumber, kayaks, or large equipment. Built from powder-coated steel, it fits most 2-inch hitches and features adjustable height settings for versatile use. Safety reflectors enhance nighttime visibility, while its quick-release pins ensure fast installation and removal. Ideal for contractors and adventurers, the Big Bed Senior combines strength, adaptability, and safety, making oversized hauling simple and secure. The Hilltip Spray Striker is a professional-grade liquid de-icing and dust control system, engineered for precision application. Constructed from stainless steel and high-density polyethylene, it delivers consistent spray patterns with smart flow control. Integrated GPS-based tracking and Bluetooth connectivity allow real-time monitoring and data reporting. Designed for municipal and industrial use, the Spray Striker maximizes efficiency and environmental responsibility, ensuring accurate coverage, reduced material waste, and superior performance in all weather conditions. The BedStep provides quick, stable access to your truck bed with one easy motion. Built from die-cast aluminum with a non-slip tread, it supports up to 300 pounds while folding neatly under the bumper when not in use. Spring-loaded for effortless deployment, it's designed to endure harsh environments without corrosion or fatigue. Ideal for tradesmen, truck owners, and outdoor users, the BedStep enhances convenience and safety, a small detail that makes a big difference in daily truck use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.